From Wits and Weights, I'm Philip Pape, and this is Nutrition Science Daily, bringing you the latest in nutrition, fat loss, and health science all in under 5 minutes. Today, we're exploring how omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids may help lower the risk of cancer. These essential fats are well known for heart and brain health, but could they also play a role in cancer prevention? Let's break down the latest research. A study published in the International Journal of Cancer found that higher levels of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids were linked to a reduced overall risk of several types of cancer, including colon, stomach, lung, brain, and bladder cancers. The researchers believe these fats may protect against cancer by reducing chronic inflammation, one of the key drivers of cancer development. Omega-3s in particular have been shown to influence cell growth, repair, and the immune system in ways that can suppress the formation of tumors. So where do these fatty acids come into play in your diet? Omega-3s are abundant in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, all delicious foods as well. Omega-6s, on the other hand, are found in vegetable oils like sunflower, safflower, and soybean oil, as well as in nuts and seeds. And by the way, we are going to be covering seed oils in the future, but for today, we're talking about omega-6s and 3s, and here's the catch. While omega-6s have health benefits, they're more commonly consumed in Western diets, often in excessive amounts found in ultra-processed foods. And this then throws off the balance of omega-3s to omega-6 fats, and that could reduce the protective effects of the omega-3s, not necessarily to the extent we used to think that the ratio was as important as simply the omega-3s themselves, but be aware that there is a correlation with our diets, omega-6s, and ultra-processed foods. So how can you apply this research to your daily routine? First, I would include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week to boost omega-3 intake. I think there are a lot of delicious foods to choose from, and they're high in protein. If you like foods like salmon, you are good to go, but also foods like sardines, which make a great snack. Opt for plant-based omega-3 sources as well, like chia seeds or walnuts if you are vegetarian or you just want more plant-based sources. And by the way, chia seeds are among those foods high in fiber, so you get a 2-for-1. And then, of course, limit processed foods and replace them instead with whole unprocessed sources of omega-6s like nuts and seeds versus, for example, vegetable oils. Although, again, everything in moderation is perfectly fine if your diet is about 80% to 90% whole foods, leaving room for those indulgences and processed foods as part of a balanced, sustainable approach. And of course, the goal is just that. It is adherence and it is balance, ensuring that omega-3s and 6s work together to support your overall health while reducing inflammation. Now, here's a final thought. Omega fats are essential because our bodies can't produce them. They are being intentional about the sources of these and then balance of where you get these fats, you can support not just your heart and brain, but according to this research, potentially lower your cancer risk as well. All right, if this episode helped clarify the role of omega-3 and omega-6 fats in your diet, check out my main podcast, Wits and Weights. There, I dive deeper into nutrition science and strategies for optimizing your body composition and health in a flexible dieting context. Follow the show wherever you listen to your podcasts and share this episode with someone who's curious about the power of healthy fats. Tomorrow, we're rediscovering the health benefits of beans. With rising food costs, they might just be the ultimate high-protein nutrition powerhouse with other benefits to boot. Tune in for another 5-minute episode of Nutrition Science Daily. See you then.